Wahoo and Umbrella were the first two underwater shots that I ever observed close up. It was more amazing in some ways than an above-ground nuclear shot. The rockets were set up at various angles and fired before the shot so that by the time they reached surface zero area, they were staggered at different elevations. So when the shock wave came up through the water, they could tell how long it was for the shock wave to hit a certain rocket trail, which gave them the propagation rate of the shock wave. I was about 2.5 miles from them. The rockets went off, and then suddenly this gigantic column of water shot straight up into the air. And you're watching the waves come closer and closer to the ship, and at 2.5 miles, it's hard to judge how far away it was from surface zero. But suddenly the waves just washed over the ship, and you could then see how gigantic the height of that wave was. After the shot, it seemed to be a couple of minutes or so before the first wave came in, not very high, and up to that time the water had been quite calm at the beach, and then the first wave came in, then receded. The second wave came in and a little higher and also retreated, and the third wave came in, was the highest, and completely covered the island, about 4 to 6 feet high, and after about 10 minutes